So hello and welcome everyone to this new YouTube video. I'm Ananya Shankar and I welcome you all. So in today's video we'll be discussing about two most sought after direct entries in SSB. First, Judge Advocate General. Second, NCC Special Entry. So why I am making this video is because I am a final year law student, and secondly I have cleared my NCC certificate examination with alpha grade. So to tackle both these entries in SSB, you need to have a different sort of mindset and a different sort of approach. So in Judge Advocate General, you can study different sort of military laws, which are Army Act, Navy Act, Air Force Act, etc. You can also intern at Armed Forces Tribunal, as I did personally, to adapt myself to know like what kind of cases come to these tribunals. So I found out that there are cases like pension issues, disability issue, court martial issue, etc. Secondly, you can study your common subjects handbook, your special subjects handbook in terms of NCC entry. And also, if you're going for AFSB after clearing your FCAT, you can equip yourself with the knowledge of principles like aero modeling, aircraft engineering, meteorology, etc. So all these service knowledge will make you equipped and make you stand out in front of other candidates who have come for these entries. So this was my short and crisp video for you all. If you like it, make sure you subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. I'll see